So hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Miss Square Vlogs. If you're new here, I am Yaya and I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. You can call me your friend, your sister, anything you want to say, and welcome to a brand new video. So in this video, I will be sharing you about my interview experience with Vistara Airline. And what you're going to see in this video is about, first of all, about the disclaimer of the eligibility criteria. And then you'll get to know whether the interview rounds, interview are conducted in the same city or not, or whether you will be asked to come to Gurugram for the final round. So I will be clearing everything. And at the same time, I will be sharing you my interview experience. So you will get to know about what are the questions that are asked. So tomorrow interview for Vistara Airline in Delhi. And in the upcoming days, there will be more interviews, right? So in Bangalore as well. So I think this video is going to be very, very helpful for you. So without further ado, let's start the video. Yeah. So first of all, eligibility criteria I have already discussed in my previous video, but just to let you know, if you are 60% above in your 12th CBSE or any board exam, so then only you are eligible. If you are, if you have your graduated and your graduation degree, you have secure 60% graduation, but lesser than 60% in 12, you are not eligible for it. So be clear for that. And if you have 59.9% as well in your 12, you cannot apply for it. So the next part. Sometime they will ask you to come for the final round in Gurugram, but in my case, it happened in the same city only, which I was not aware before. And also my friends, we thought that because Vistara, they do, for the final round, they do ask to, come to Gurugram for the interview, for the final round. So that happened. But in our case, like we were not clear, like hame pata nahi tha ki that it will be the final round. So that's the biggest mistake of my life, right? So you will get to know about it in the next part. So we had our interview in 2019 before COVID. And it was my first interview with Vistara Airline. And we had our interview it was walk-in interview, not an invitation. We had our interview in Paltan Bazaar. So I forgot the name of the, I forgot the name of the hotel, but I'll share over here. So in our first round, we were asked in a group of 10. So हम लोगों को like different question, बहुत ही अलग-अलग question पूछा. So he was it was a male HR. तो हम लोगों को बहुत ही like सभी को अलग-अलग question पूछा गया. तो in my case, he asked me to introduce myself and again to tell the meaning of my name. So that's the thing. And after that, only 3 of us got selected for this second round. So in second round, it was like a group discussion. So we were group of 10 again. And हम लोगों को पूछा है कि to tell us about our strength and weaknesses. तो like everything सभी ने बहुत अच्छे से बोला. And I was sure that I'll get selected, but after that HR ने बोला कि they will call us or they will contact us after some time. So we got confused. Everyone was very confused. तो हम लोग ने पूछा, even we asked the other candidate who like went to the second round before us. तो हम लोग ने उससे पूछा. So they inform us कि उन लोगों को भी ऐसा ही same reply किया. But I was very like not sure, very confused. So I confronted the male HR again. मैंने सर को पूछा, सर like did we get like हम reject हो गए हैं ना या फिर what is the thing? So सर ने बोला कि go home, like we will contact you after some time. So ऐसा बोला. तो every one of us, we went back and we were waiting for the mail. So after I think 20 or 14 or 20 days, we got a mail for the free final. It was written free finals. Okay, so we thought that it would be free finals, and then for the final round again हमको बुलाएंगे मतलब गुरुग्राम में. So in the final round, the free final round, it happened in Radisson Blu Hotel. And like I'll tell you about the interview scenario. So what happened is, so the HR, they came from like Gurugram head office से they came to conduct the interview. So बहुत ही late interview हुआ. तो we reached very early, 8 बजे around 9 बजे से पहुंच गए थे. But interview started around 12 बजे से start हुआ. So and it was not systematic and like जो चला जा रहा है so उसका इंटरव्यू हो रहा है. So it was like that. So even though we came very early, तो we and my friend, 3 of us, we were the last person जिसका इंटरव्यू हुआ. And in the final round I was asked to give my introduction, and then why I want to become a cabin crew, and then मेरा Hindi communication test हुआ. So after that we were again said that they will inform us for the final round, for the further rounds. So so during that after that, after 2 months, my friends, like 2 of my friends, they got mail that they got selected and they have to further go for this medicals. So it was the same, and after medicals they got they went for their training, and that's the same. So to be very frank, I want to tell you about my mistake that I did. The first mistake that happened with me is that I was taking it very casually, because I didn't want to go to Gurugram for the final round, and I was, even though I was very tired, but my tiredness shows on my face, and the main thing is I was taking the interview very casually. मुझे विस्तारा एयरलाइन ज्वाइन नहीं करना था, something like that was going in my mind. So because I was not aware of how amazing Vistara airline is, so I was not aware of that. So that's why I was taking it very, very casually, and again I said ki I was very tired and it was showing on my face, and I was getting bored because of waiting for so long. So that should not be happening, okay, with you guys. And I said everything very nicely, but when it comes to why you want to become a cabin crew, I was totally blank. मुझे क्या बोलना है, because I was very, very tired. तो मैंने बहुत ही I stopped for a moment, अच्छे से नहीं बोला. So because of that reason, I think मेरा selection नहीं हुआ. So that's the thing, and I think this video will be very, very helpful for you. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will be updating any videos or anything that you want to apart from my vlogs and apart from other videos. If you have anything that you want me to make for this channel, so please let me know in the comment section, and you can directly message me in Instagram. I'll share my Instagram ID over here, so you can, if you have any queries, you can contact me, and I'll show you that I'll reply you whenever I'm free, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And I always say that your love and support is really, really motivating for me. So let's grow this channel together, and thank you so much, and good night everyone. I love you all.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing.